Good morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter of English 1, Unit 2, the poem Noses. As you already know that nose is our sense organ. Okay children, can you tell me how many sense organs are there in all? Let's see. We have 5 sense organs: nose, ears, tongue, eyes, skin. Nose helps us to smell. Ears helps us to hear. Tongue helps us to taste the things. Eyes helps us to see around of us. And skin helps us to feel the touch. The poem Noses is composed by Ellen Fisher, who was an American writer, poet, and playwright. In this poem, she is trying to sensitize a child and make her feel happy with what she is or has. These expressions of inner feelings are not to be judged or labeled, but may only be heard, seen, and shared. I am going to recite the poem and I hope you will also recite with me. So let's start the poem Noses. Poem Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It is the funniest thing the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. In this stanza, the poetess says that whenever she looks at the mirror, she looks at her nose and finds it very funny because it is coming out of her face. All of her nose is shown, and she finds the two holes in it to be very strange. These are used by us for taking in air to our lungs and giving it to out. Children, have you ever looked your face in the mirror? Do you find your nose to be funny that way the poetess feels? I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there is not much space to spare with my nose like a handle sticking there. In this paragraph, she also says that she looked at herself in the mirror and found her nose to be placed in the middle of her face between her chin and head, just like a handle is fixed onto a door. She compares it to a handle and says it is fixed onto her face in the middle of her chin and head, just like a handle fixed into a door. Children, here the use of like a handle in the last line shows a comparison is being made between her nose and a door handle. Uses of such a comparison in poetry is called a simile. If ever you want to giggle and shout and cannot think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. In the last stanza, she wants to laugh at something but cannot find one. She can look at her nose in the mirror. She says that the child will find it so funny and strange the way her nose to grows out of her face. In the other words, she suggests that If a child wants to laugh at something, she can look at her nose in the mirror and laugh at it. All of us have different face and features, and each face is unique. Here are some new words for you, and write down these new words with meaning in your notebook. Mirror means a surface which reflects a clear image. Funniest means causing laughter or amusement. Breathing means process of taking air into and expelling it from the lungs. Sticking, push a sharp or pointed object into or throw. Giggle means laugh lightly and repeatedly in a silly way. Thank you for watching this video.